Hello, and welcome to Merkley. Today we're going to talk about, today's tip is looking for and buying repair replacement brick. So however the damage was caused, if you could bring in a sample of the brick, that'll help us to locate or find the closest match as possible. As you can see, there's a large range of colors of brick, sizes of brick, and textures. But one of the important things is we need to know the size of the brick, how tall it is, and how long it is. This helps us zero in on the brick that you need. So an idea is to take a picture, bring that picture in with a diagram showing how long and how high the brick is. Come in and see the experts here at Merkley, and we'll help find you the closest or best match that we can that's available today. We have a large range of restoration bricks for those older buildings, and if it's not in stock, we'll see about getting it in for you. So come in to see us here at Merkley, where you can trust our knowledge, training, and experience to help you with your brick project. And I'll leave you with this. Remember, Merkley, we are the brick people.